Ripple's strategic partnerships with some of the world's biggest financial institutions, banks, and payment processors are setting XRP up for massive growth, and these partnerships are poised to push the price to levels we've never seen before. It's easy to get shaken out by short-term market drops or volatile price swings, but if you've been holding XRP, now is not the time to panic. These partnerships are the reason why XRP's future is brighter than ever. The real-world adoption and institutional interest Ripple is gaining with these big names are going to push demand through the roof, and that means XRP's price could skyrocket. Let's break down exactly how these 11 key partnerships will transform XRP and why you should stay strong and hold on for the ride. Partnerships are everything when it comes to the growth of any cryptocurrency, and XRP is no exception. These partnerships are the key to unlocking XRP's true potential and driving its price to new heights. When XRP partners with big names in the financial world, it not only gives the coin credibility, but it also gives it real-world use cases. Ripple's partnerships help bridge the gap between traditional finance and the digital asset world, and that means more demand for XRP. Let's break down why these partnerships are so powerful. Ripple has established connections with some of the largest financial institutions and payment providers in the world. When these institutions adopt Ripple's technology and start using XRP for cross-border payments, it boosts XRP's liquidity and institutional trust, making it an even more valuable asset. XRP's real-world utility is something that sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies, and these partnerships are the fuel that will drive XRP's growth. But that's not all. These partnerships are also what will create the demand for XRP tokens. As more banks, payment providers, and central banks get involved, the need for XRP to facilitate transactions will increase. When big institutions start buying XRP, the scarcity of tokens in circulation will push the price up. These are the types of partnerships that make XRP a globally accepted asset. It's not just a speculative investment, it's a key piece of the future of finance, and these partnerships will prove that. Now let's dive into the 11 key partnerships that will make all of this possible and see how they're set to push XRP's price higher. With these institutional relationships, Ripple is creating a massive ecosystem that XRP will be at the center of, and it's time to recognize how these partnerships will unlock XRP's potential to hit $1,000. These 11 strategic partnerships are setting the stage for XRP to reach unprecedented levels, and the impact on XRP's price will be profound. When institutional players like BlackRock start pouring capital into XRP due to its increasing global adoption, the market will be flooded with demand. And with XRP's fixed supply, this means one thing: the price is likely to skyrocket. Why is this happening? The more financial institutions and payment networks that integrate XRP into their operations, the more liquidity and credibility it gains. XRP's real-world utility in facilitating cross-border payments, remittances, and corporate transactions ensures that it's not just a speculative asset. This actual use is what sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies and is a major driver of long-term value. As Ripple continues to expand its network through partnerships with major companies and central banks, institutional investors will begin to see XRP as a core asset, and that's when we'll see the big shift. Institutional investors manage billions of dollars, and their interest in XRP will not only increase demand, it will legitimize XRP as a solid investment. The more they invest, the higher the price will go, because these institutions will have the financial muscle to move markets and buy up XRP in large quantities. In addition, as XRP continues to be adopted globally by banks, financial institutions, and payment processors, the scarcity of XRP will become more pronounced. Ripple has already locked up billions of XRP in escrow, limiting the amount available for sale on the market. The combination of limited supply and growing institutional demand is a recipe for explosive price growth. As XRP becomes a key player in global finance, it's not out of the question to see XRP reach $1,000 or even higher. But here's the important part. Don't get shaken out. The price may experience short-term volatility as it has in the past, but the long-term growth potential is what matters. XRP's future is tied to the adoption of blockchain in financial services. And with these 11 key partnerships already paving the way, XRP is on track to become a global financial standard. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So stay focused on the bigger picture and hold strong. For XRP holders, this is the moment to stay informed, watch these partnerships grow, and prepare for massive long-term returns. The $1,000 XRP price target might just be the beginning, and the future is looking brighter than ever. The next few years could be transformative for XRP, and you're in a prime position to benefit from this incredible growth. Now that we've seen how these 11 key partnerships are positioning XRP for massive growth, the next step is to understand what XRP holders should do right now. This is an exciting time, but with all the potential for price volatility and market fluctuations, it's important to have a solid strategy moving forward. First and foremost, stay patient. The demand for XRP isn't going to happen overnight, and as with any investment, there will be ups and downs. XRP's price may experience short-term fluctuations, especially with regulatory uncertainty and occasional market corrections, but the long-term outlook is incredibly bright. These partnerships are not just short-term deals, they are foundational investments that will continue to drive demand for XRP over time. For those who are looking to accumulate more XRP, now is a great time to consider adding to your position. As more institutional investors start entering the market, XRP's price could climb rapidly due to the massive demand these partnerships will create. The key is to buy when prices are low, especially if the market sees any corrections or dips. XRP's future is tied to its real-world use in cross-border payments, and with these 11 partnerships, demand is only going to rise. If you're a short-term trader, be prepared for price fluctuations. The market will likely respond quickly to these partnerships, and XRP's price could experience sharp moves. You might want to keep a close eye on key news, especially related to new partnerships or regulatory updates, and trade strategically to take advantage of short-term price changes, set stop-loss limits, and take profits when necessary to manage risk and protect your gains, but don't lose sight of XRP's long-term value. The partnerships are a clear sign that XRP's utility in the financial sector is growing, and that's what will drive the massive price potential. Finally, stay informed. The crypto market moves fast, and staying up to date on Ripple's partnerships, XRP's adoption, and any regulatory updates will give you the information needed to make smart decisions. Follow trusted sources for the latest news on XRP's growth, especially as Ripple expands its global network. The more knowledgeable you are, the better positioned you'll be to capitalize on XRP's future success. In conclusion, XRP's future has never been brighter. With 11 key partnerships setting the stage for massive demand, XRP holders are in a prime position to benefit from long-term growth. Whether you're holding for the future or taking advantage of short-term moves, the opportunity is here. Stay focused, stay patient, and keep an eye on the bigger picture.